In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section in Webflow. If you're reorganizing a page, testing a new layout, or temporarily removing content without deleting it, hiding a section is a quick, reversible way to keep things tidy while you build. First, open your project in the Webflow designer so you're on the canvas where you can work directly with elements on the page. Make sure you're on the correct page in your project and that you're viewing the layout where the section currently appears. This helps you see exactly how the change will affect the rest of your design. Next, click the section you want to hide. You can do this directly on the canvas. Look at the element label and the breadcrumb at the top of the designer to confirm you've selected the section wrapper, not a container or a div inside it. Selecting the outer section ensures the entire block, its content, and spacing is removed from the layout, which is usually what you want when you're hiding a big chunk of the page. With the section selected, move to the right-hand panel and open the Style tab. This is where all visual properties live, and it controls how the element behaves in the layout. If you don't see it, look for the tab with the paintbrush icon on the right sidebar. In the Style panel, find the Layout section and locate the display setting. Click None. The instant you do this, Webflow applies Display None to the selected section. That tells the browser to remove the section from the page flow completely. No space, no content, nothing for users or screen readers to interact with. This is perfect for temporarily disabling content while keeping it in your project for later. A couple of helpful tips as you work. Display settings are responsive in Webflow, so the change applies to the current breakpoint and cascades down to smaller devices. If you want the section hidden only on specific devices, switch to that device view first, then set display to none there. If you need the section to come back, simply reselect it in the navigator and change display from none to block or to whatever it was before, such as flex. And if your layout shifts unexpectedly, remember that removing a section can change spacing above and below. So give the page a quick scan in preview to confirm everything still looks right. That's it. You've successfully hidden a section in Webflow while keeping your content safe for later use.